What is going on, everybody? Dan Unfiltered checking out Wolf and Bear? Is that the name of the band? Wolf and Bear? Or is it like two people's names? Like two musicians, one named Wolf, the other one's named Bear? I don't know. Let's find out. This is Twisted Tongues, and it comes from... What are the fucking odds I just got my tongue twisted saying that right then? That was stupid. Wow, that was dumb. But Twisted Tongues, this comes from Zach, a Patreon. Appreciate you, homie. If you guys have any requests, hit me up. Maybe it was a psychological thing. Twisted Tongues is not something that should be hard to say, but it completely fucked me up. What are the odds? Oh, fuck no. Can you imagine snorting glitter? Oh.
Caught between a crossfire, separate from all your thoughts, stranded where you just elect good judgment all. You are walking around with your head in the clouds. Who really knows when you'll come back down? I'll be the grounding force, but I don't even think that you know. Your world is crashing down.
This screams Dance Gavin Dance, does it not? Like, screams it.
No one can hold your ground. Go another round. We'll come save you now. And I will be the one to fucking hold my tongue. I don't know what you want. I've given all I got. Feel the weight on your shoulders. There with a friend. I know it's getting colder. Can you feel the weight on your shoulders? There with a friend. It's getting colder.
Yeah.
The water's rising, left you to travel low. I'm treading water to keep myself afloat. Can't watch it sink to the depths alone. Look me in my eyes. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you see.
His voice doesn't match him at all. Could be the way he's also moving in the video, but it doesn't match him at all. It's kind of crazy.
I've been awake and I can't take anymore. I won't lose sleep, no, I won't waste my time. When I stare in your eyes, I don't know.
Yo. I gotta give him credit. He broke it all the way down. I think it only lasted for a second for the cameraman cut. But he broke it all the way down right there.
But I see if I see anything. Are there still pieces of you shining through? Are there still pieces of the one I knew? So why am I getting caught up in everything that's going on? I lost my nerve, get hold of it. Your world is crashing down. No one can hold your ground. Go another round. We'll come save you now. And I won't be the one to fucking hold my tongue. I don't know what you want. I've given all I got. Your world is crashing down. No one can hold your ground. Go another round. We'll come save you now. And I won't be the one to fucking hold my tongue. I don't know what you want. I've given all I got. Feel the weight on your shoulders. With a friend, I know he's
Motherfuckers, man.
Can you feel the weight on your shoulders? With a friend, it's getting colder. Before you turn away, take a good look, remember my face. Before you turn away, take a good look, remember my face.
Oh no. Bad idea. But, holy shit! It can't just be me. I know I've heard a lot of Dance Gavin Dance over the last, like, probably, 2 years or so. A lot. So a ton. So they're kind of in my bloodstream now. But it can't. That was like obvious. Very. Which again, I'm not saying there's like people are assholes sometimes. They think they're stealing. They're not stealing anything from them. But there's clear influence. Clear. They sound so similar to the Johnny Craig era Dance Gavin Dance. A little less than the Tillian one because the clean vocals are completely different with Tillian style. But the Johnny Craig version, they even at the end there, they both kind of were doing the intertwining, singing together. I like it. I like it. Because there really just shouldn't be one band that does a sound. You know what I mean? Not just one. On the fucking planet, there should be more than one. So it's glad to see that there's at least a second one. And the main thing, it's not even the... I was going to say it's not even really the vocals that makes the comparison, like, glaringly obvious. But the harsh vocalist did. He was kind of, like, very similar to John Mess. Very similar. But mainly, it's the guitar and bass patterns. And the drumming. Like, it's more the instrumental. Like, if you took the singers off of this song and just listened to the actual music of it, I would have easily put $1,000 on That's Dance Gavin Dance. Like, if this was on, what's one of those stupid shows? When you have to guess the song titles. Whatever. That's My Jam, maybe? Whatever it's called. And they play, like, the melody of a song and you have to, without the vocal, and you have to guess the song. I would have buzzed in immediately with This Is a Dance Gavin Dance song. And obviously would have been wrong. Holy shit, though. I'm here for it. Wolf and Bear, and obviously Wolf and Bear isn't... Well, could it technically be? It still could be the names of the both singers, but I doubt it. I think that's just the name of the band. It's an okay band name. When you kind of do this sound, you kind of want an obscure, kind of odd band name. Wolf and Bear is kind of odd. Dance Gavin Dance. Very odd. God, it's just what you should do with this kind of... this niche of music. It's not for everybody. I jam to it, but it's not for everybody. Pretty good stuff. Zach, where did these people come from? I should have looked up where they're from. Let me take a second. I didn't do my normal 10 seconds of half-assed internet research. I should have. Wolf and Bear. Oh, this is probably going to come up with a whole bunch of weird shit. Surprisingly, no, they were the first thing that popped up. And of course, they're from California. That makes a lot of sense. Is Dance Gavin Dance from California? They are also... Are they both from fucking Sacramento? Both bands are from Sacramento. Okay. Alright. So... maybe this is a Sacramento style of, like, rock music. Kind of like Seattle in the 90s had a very obvious... grungy rock style going on in their city. Maybe Sacramento has this. I'm not sure what the hell to call this genre, but what do they call it? Post-hardcore? How do we feel about that? Yeah, I can work with the name, with the genre. And what do they... And Dance Gavin Dance just says a rock band. What? That's not their genre. They're not just standard rock. Post-hardcore, experimental. Alright. So I guess post-hardcore is the thing. Gotcha. But hit like, subscribe. Wolf and Bear. I'm going to check how many views they have. Because now I'm curious of, like, how famous are these people? In Dance Gavin Dance, like, their world. See which one is, like... I assume Dance Gavin Dance is much higher. But still, this was pretty good. Like, they're clearly no up-and-coming garage band. They're clearly, like, ready to go. Let's go.